All right, folks, in today's episode, what we're going to do is to add LED lights on the running boards. These are automatic running boards. When you open the doors, they pop open, and when you close them, they close. So we're gonna add the LED lights throughout here. First, running boards LED strip. All right, OPT 7. From everything I read and everything I see, these are probably one of the best LED strips in the market. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. You're gonna need switches to install on the running board, so when it opens, it triggers it and the lights goes on. I like to use wire looms under the car instead of having wires sticking everywhere. It looks neater and it protects the wire. Zip ties, silicone paste, tools, and I'm gonna be wiring it to the hitch harness, and this is the one that we're gonna use. I'm gonna show you later on how to wire it. I actually coded the colors and the harness to the running board LED. Heat gun, quick connect, heat is shrink, not shrimp, heat is shrink for the wires. The reason why I'm doing this, and maybe I'm overdoing it, is so it doesn't get corroded, it doesn't get wet, and it's safe under the car. And obviously you're gonna need alcohol to clean before you stick the running LED strips. All right. Next. All right. So, highly recommend before installing any lighting in your truck and your car, test it, and if it works well, continue with the installation. So I'm gonna go ahead and test them. These are supposed to be sequential lights. I want to do the signal lights, the hazardous lights, and obviously the white light when the running boards open, so we can see the running boards at night. So we're gonna test them, and then afterwards I'm gonna tell you how to install them. A bracket for the limit switch. Limit switch bracket, Home Depot, right here, Home Depot. We're gonna try to see if it fits the bracket. Oh, my old age. It sucks. Like a dream. Done. Limit switches, 2 of them, and the brackets. All right, folks, the first thing that you should do if you had to stop a truck, just go into your control panel, display steps, make sure they are deployed, and now you can work on it and just put the LED strips. That's it. Now shut it off, and the steps will be deployed. Otherwise, they retract. All right, folks. There's instructions on how to do this, and what you do, you open the box, there's a little barcode here, click on the barcode, and good luck to you, and go to church and figure out the instructions. Or follow my channel and I'll show you how to do it. All right, there's a lot of things that you need to do to install this. It looks great when it's done correctly, but there's a lot of steps, and it's easier said than done. I did a lot of stuff prior to filming today, and I'm gonna show you what I did. I actually built 2 harnesses, left and right. I put it all under the truck by the beams, or between the beams where the holes are, so you don't see the wires. So there's a harness here. We'll show you later on, we'll film it. There's a harness on the other side, which they'll tell you how to do that if you want to do it correctly. And then I'm going to utilize my hitch connector. And the reason why I'm going to do this is because it will trigger the signal lights, it will trigger the running board lights, instead of having fuses and figure out where you're going to connect it or which fuse you're going to connect it to, which you will have electrical problems. So this is the best way to do it. I'll show you how I connected that all underneath. Let's go. Step one, test the lights. It's key that you test the lights and make sure they are operational and they're the right lights that you order. In my case, I ordered the sequential lights. So you're gonna connect it, test it real quick, and show you how that works, and then we'll go to the installation. All right? So this is pretty much set. So we have the white wire for the running lights. We have the black wire for the ground, the yellow wire for the signal lights, and these are, and the red wire, which I'm not connecting, maybe at a later day I might do it, is for the daylight amber lights, or all throughout amber lights as the car runs, I guess. All right, now we're gonna shrink wrap the wire. This is the bracket we made instead of using double-sided tape. Let's not make the same error here. Put the shrimp there. A la hostia. That's how we do it here. So the limit switch is so when the steps go down, it turns the lights on. And that's how it does it. It turns the lights on. That's what it is. So this level over here is touching the running boards. When it goes down, it turns it on. That's basically what it is for. But you have to wire it. See that? Waterproof, baby. You gotta wire it. Do it right. And build the bracket, not rocket, because we're not sending it to the moon. Bracket. Coño, bracket. Install it in the truck. Now we're gonna show you how to do this. You gotta film under the truck. You gotta film under the truck now. We said the yellow was the other. I don't know. It doesn't know. This is where that's shit. Okay. We got cut in half. If you would, please. That's okay. This is like, I need to more. Like, 4 minutes. You can see it. Oh, motherfucker. Shit. There you go. See this? No, you can more. That's good. Just not good. 4 minutes. Let me see if I can get it like this. This is the angle of the yellow. We're gonna put glue the strips into my 1500 Ram Limited. Don't know how this is going to turn out to be because the other one was a freaking nightmare, by the way. And this is crooked. And it's hot as hell. Look at my umbrella. Look at my umbrella. Look at this. No, you gotta turn around. Look at this. Look at this. This is how I'm working here. It's hot. All right, the wiring. What a pain in the ass this was. All right, so what we did, we wire it directly to the hitch harness. And here's the connector. All right, so the white wire from the passenger side, no, from the driver's side, goes to the brown wire in the harness. The yellow wire from the driver's side goes to the yellow wire in the harness. And the black wire, which is the ground, goes to the white wire in the harness. Got it? White with black. Yellow with yellow. White with brown. The passenger side. White wire with the brown wire from the harness. Yellow signal wire with the green wire from the harness. And the black with the white wire in the harness. And again, we'll show you the schematics in the video so you have it. So if you plug it in this way, you'll have the signal lights, the reverse amber light, and the white light when you open the doors and the steps deployed. Okay, that's it. I'm dying. Holy sh! This. I did the first one. I did this, folks. I did this one. He's supposed to be doing the second one. You're not even. Yeah? You're sticking your nose over here, and then you plug it in over here, and you just, shrink. Damn it! Damn it! I just wasted a quick connector. God. Step 1. Test the lights. Make sure they're the lights that you bought. They're in working condition. My camera guy is saying that I'm not looking at the camera.
Yeah, you're looking at me.
Yeah, whatever. All right, so
look at the camera.
I'm looking at it. Coño. All right, let's do this. Or all throughout amber lights as the car runs, I guess. I'm not doing this one. Shrimp. You want shrimp with fish? This is the shrimp.
Comes in its own little tackle box.
All right. Heat shrink, not shrimp. Shrink. Tubing kit. Good? Yeah? Hostia. Good? All right.
Bueno.
Wait. The U.S. language is. Yeah, that's right. Well, it would have been nice if you would have given me the damn thing, right? All right.
Yeah.
What is it called?
Shrink wrap.
Shrink
tube. It's shrink tubing.
Shrink tubing. All right. Shrink tubing.
Shrink tube.
Well, what do you call a psychiatrist? A shrink. What do you call roaches of the ocean? Shrimp.
Well, shit, I gotta edit out. Come on. Your shrimp tube?
Yeah. The shrink tube.
I wouldn't want to call it that.
Shrimp tube?
You'll get a different kind of audience.
Probably a lot of chef.
That's not what I was thinking.
Chef that like mechanic?
Little peepees are known as shrimps.
What?
Little peepees are known as
See how weird. What?
That's why you don't want to call it a shrimp tube.
Yeah, but that's just, shrink as a psychiatrist, shrimp as a shrimp, shrink tube, and then shrink is a penis? Come on, man. This is just insanity. Oh man, that's why you guys are so freaking confused.
I don't know if you realize how difficult this is and how much my neck is hurting and my fingers are hurting, right? I don't know if you realize that either.
I don't know if you realize you got a house right there. I can walk over there and I won't even hear that complaining.
That's true.
I'll just be sitting in my chair there and I won't hear a single bit of that complaint.
Well, you started complaining first.
I don't think this is filming, by the way.
That's filming.
It is?
Yeah.
Well, how am I gonna work here when you have the damn camera? See, guys, this is what he's doing to me, but putting it in my way here. So how the hell am I supposed to work?
Let's just move it out of your way.
Yeah, let's see if it works. look at the spider web here. Folks, you guys have to figure it out like I did, man. I don't know anymore what I did here. I just switched wires back and forth until they worked.